Let's take a closer look at the Mi-17 helicopter, a rare sight in the United States. In this footage, you can see the helicopter from engine startup through hovering all the way to takeoff at a distance that almost feels like it's right in front of you, a perspective aviation enthusiasts rarely get. The Mi-17 is a Russian-designed medium transport helicopter, powered by twin turboshaft engines, capable of lifting heavy loads and operating in diverse environments. It is widely used around the world, but seeing one in action on a U.S. mission is exceptionally uncommon, making this video a hidden gem for aviation fans. The most striking part is the engine ignition. You hear it grow from a low rumble into a powerful roar, while the rotor blades start spinning in precise circular motion, transmitting raw mechanical energy directly through the visuals. As it begins to lift, the helicopter's massive fuselage and the classic main rotor design, full of engineering character, become clear. The hovering is steady and controlled, demonstrating the Mi-17's renowned stability up close. Finally, as it transitions into forward flight, the adrenaline kicks in. This moment is rare because U.S. forces typically operate helicopters like the Black Hawk or Apache, and seeing the exotic Mi-17 here highlights both cold,